Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the clay and then fold it like this and then press it using these sticks. Now pinch it from the top and give it a shape by pressing it as shown in the video from the top and make the beaks of the birds. Now we will make its eyes, make a crown on the head. Now on the sides, press it using the fingers and then use the knife to cut it and give it a shape like this. Now after that, draw the feathers of the bird like this using the scissor. Now after that, we will draw the lines on the downside like this and make the patterns as shown in the video. Pinch it like this. Now take another piece of dough and then we will draw the lines on it like this and then press it and give it a shape and make the petals like this. Now give it a shape from the top, put it in the middle and put a nut and it's ready. Next, you have to take a piece of dough and then fold it and make a semicircle. Now cut it from the sides. Now fold it like this and make the triangle. Now using the fork, press it like this from the ends. Now cut it like this as shown in the video and pinch it and give it a shape like this. Now after pressing it, we will put the sticks on the sides and cut it like this or just press it in the between. Now take the spoon and draw the lines and make its eyes. Now draw the designs over the body using the spatula like this. After making the designs, fix it in the between and it's ready. Next, take a piece of dough and then draw the lines over it by pressing it like this on both the sides. Now we will cut it like this and remove the last over parts like this. Now cut the lines as shown in the video. Now press it using the stick in the between. Now draw the lines using the spatula in the front. Now put the eyes of the fishes. Now on the back, press it using the comb like this. Now after that, we will take the knife and cut it like this and then press it like this to give the shape of the fish on the back to make its tail. Now press it from the sides like this. Now after that, we will take the scissor and cut it like this and make the designs on it. Using the spatula, we will make the designs like this. Now after that, we will make the holes in the between as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the clay or dough and then roll it like this and cut it using the knife. Now cut it from the between as well. Now roll it like this. Now press it and fix it on the top. Now in the front, press it like this. Now make its eyes, cut it from the front and then make a crown on the head. Now draw the lines like this and then after that, press it like this and fix it. Now we will fix it from the sides by cutting it and give it a shape by cutting it using the scissors. Cut it carefully as we are cutting here. Now make the designs like this and it's ready. Next, we will take a dough, fold it like this. Now cut it from the between and then using the fork, we will press it from the back like this to give it a design. Now using the knife, cut it like this. Now pinch it and give the shape as shown in the video. Now using the stick, press it from the back to make the tail. Now in the front, draw the lines using the spatula on its body like this. Now make its eyes, follow the same step for the other side. So now we have to cut it like this and then draw the lines on its back and spread it like this to make the legs of the frog. Now make its body. Now in the front, we will cut its legs like this on the back and draw the designs. Now in the between, draw the designs using the comb, make its eyes, make a hole in the between and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a spatula and then or just take a stick and press the clay or dough like this. Now on the sides, using the fork, we will press the designs on it like this by spreading it. Press it. Now using the stick, make the holes in the front like this to make its eyes and nose. Now on the back, you can press it or leave it as it is and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.